Hi guys, it's Peitee. I received a package from a company Coleyes. Let's unbox it together. So these are colored contact lenses and this is the box that it comes in. Open it with a smile. Inside of the package there's a contact lenses that I got. So I picked two colors and they picked two for me. So I have 4 contact lenses to show you today. Each individual one comes in a package like this. And inside you get the contact lenses. Ooh, blue. I didn't order blue ones, so these are the ones that they chose for me. And it also comes with a holding case for the lenses because they are not one-time use. You can use them multiple times. I do use prescription contact lenses, so I hope I will be able to apply these properly. I'm not very good at applying contacts, so we will see. Oh, but there's a little thing! There's a little thing to help you. To be honest, I don't know how to use this, but I will try. Does this work like ASMR vibes? So it comes in a little case. This is so cute. I would know how to open it. There you go. Ta-da! So it has little tongues to take the contacts out, these, and I presume this is to put it in your eye. The colors I got is Sassy Rose Red, Sassy Violet, and those are the 2 I picked. Wildness Peacock Blue and Cybervision Green, and those are the 2 that they've picked for me. Let's start with the Rose Red one because I'm the most curious about this. If you can't tell, I did my makeup today to kind of match the vibe of the Rose Red. Hopefully it will look really cute. So each of them is packaged individually. Okay, so I just grabbed it from the inside with this little thing, and I presume this is how I put it in my eye. I've never used one of these. I always just use my hands. Wow. Why do I look good? I look like a villain from like a manga character or something. Oh, I can see a little pink. My natural eye color is very dark and very saturated, so this does actually a really good job at covering my natural eye color and changing it to the contact lens color. This thing is incredibly easy to use and to apply the contact lenses. I'll try to show the other one. Okay, I do it very weirdly. I put it on the side of my eye and then kind of fidget it. And wow, this makes me feel so weird, but it's kind of cool. Like I can see a little bit red, a little pink, but I think I look kind of scary. I like it. I really look like I'm straight out of a comic book or something. It's so cool. I never had any colored contact lenses on before, so this is really new to me. But to be honest, like this will be so good for so many different makeup looks, and I just can't wait to use them more and more in my makeup tutorials. I think it will be awesome. Okay, the other ones that I wanted to try was the Sassy Violet. I think those will be really cool as well. They're like purple. I wanted to go for something that is not a natural eye color. This is how it looks like inside of the pot. I have it on my little thing. This is actually really handy. I might use this for my normal contact lenses. I do wear prescription contacts and I have to say I normally can't feel them in my eyes. And these ones are a little bit bigger than my prescription contacts, but I also can't feel them in my eyes once they're in, and once they're in the right place, I can't feel them at all. Wow, these purple ones are so cool. I feel like with the green makeup look, this would be incredible. The color is just so saturated. It just looks so cool. And there you go. I just put them in their own case. I can use them next time. Now let's try one of the ones they chose for me. This is the blue one. I can't wait to use these because I always wanted to try blue eye on myself. These are very interesting. They're not just blue. They have like a yellow around. I do have to say I can see a little bit of the color in this one. In the last one I couldn't see the color around. Wow. They're very unique contact lenses. I don't know, it kind of It looks weird. Maybe I'm just not used to blue eyes on me. It might be my makeup also, because it was made for the red ones. I think if the makeup would be complementing some blue, it would be better. Maybe next time I'll do like all brown smoky eyes, and these contacts would actually look really cool. The blonde hair though, it kind of looks hot. I put on enough contacts for you like 3 times already, and my eyes don't feel either sore or tight or anything like that. And normally if you keep taking in and out contact lenses, your eyes might feel a little bit tired, but these, when I have them on, they feel very comfortable. I have a last pair of contacts to try out, and these are Cybervision Green, which I already have green eyes, so I'm very curious to see how these will be different to my natural green eye color. I know green eye color is very rare for people to have, and especially this kind of saturated green that I have is very uncommon to have, so I'm very curious about these and how they will look on my eyes. If you're able to see, but this contact, it's not only green but kind of bluish, yellowish kind of shade. It's actually not as bright as my actual eye color. It's called Cybervision Green, so I guess that's why it's a little less saturated and a little more like robot kind of eye, not a human eye. Okay, I get it now. Cybervision Green. It kind of makes me look like a cyborg, which I love. I really love the colors that they used for these contact lenses. This is so weird because it looks like myself when I'm looking in the mirror, because my eyes are still green, but it looks like something happened to them. It's so trippy. It doesn't make me feel like a manga character, but more like a non-human something that's non-human. I don't know, like I'm kind of on a mission from another planet, but I'm trying to conceal as human. You know what I mean? Probably not, because that's crazy. I think you know what I mean. This, oh my god, this looks so weird. I think I'll be definitely wearing these. Coleyes did give me some gifts to give to my subscribers. The first one is 20% off on your entire order if you use this code when you shop on their website. And the second one is buy 2 and get 1 pair free if you use this code. It's a discount with this code. You get free stuff if you use this code. And this code. Hop on over to their website to get your gifts, and let's create some cool makeup looks together using these awesome contacts. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for makeup content. I usually do makeup tutorials and reactions, and I'll see you next time. I really forget how to record. I really did.